What a day. That's it. Tectonic Cronos fan, we're on an absolute rampage right now. It is exciting. 602-215. Are you ready for this? What is going on, everybody? Crypto.com Cronos chain holders. I think we're having a really great weekend so far. I had it, and I'm still having it thus far. If you've been watching the channel, of course, yesterday, my wedding. Thank you to all the great support, the great wishes. You guys are amazing for all the donations. I just want to start the video with that, obviously, to show my appreciation to all of you. And you saw in a little quick clip yesterday how the party was going on. So I'm really excited. The same party, boom, that some people in the Tectonic family and Cronos are failing because, well, what else can we say? It's a great meme. I mean, just take a look at this. Let's go ahead and analyze this just for 1 second objectively and with all the gains. Go ahead and smash your like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Welcome aboard, guys. You got me. That's it. Wedding over. Obviously, we're in the still first day. World 2, we'll enjoy it. Then honeymoon. But right now, work, work, work. And what are we looking at? Well, this level was May 2022. Can you believe it? That's all Tectonic price. The highest, most aware crypto token on DeFi, right? On Cronos chain. Not BBS, not MMF, Tectonic right now. It's the only one that's doing this. It's the only one that is going through breaking barriers and letting everyone know that we're here. It has a purpose. We're all part of the Crow fam. Hashtag Crow fam, of course. Now, we have talked before. This is not the first time we do these levels. And once again, I want to remind guys, you see that circle? You see this horizontal white line? We are getting really close. And to be honest with you guys, I'm very surprised because once again, that is just 17%, 17, 18%, as you're seeing right now on the screen. Why haven't we crashed, retraced back? Why? Is it because Bitcoin and altcoins are actually higher now? Is it because the buyers are not cashing out because they're waiting or they want to, let retail investors get into a bull trap? Or is it just because it's time for Tectonic to rise? There are many different options. Obviously, I don't know the right one. But what I can tell you is when you zoom out, you will see where we're coming from. And this what I'm showing you right now is just a little tiny example of how low we are, how at the bottom we are. And even let's bring another range. From here, at the beginning of 2023 to the price that we have right now, the price of Tectonic has risen 165%. Are you crazy? No, we're not crazy. It is exactly what's happening right now. So can it go a little higher? Well, yes, it can. When you open it up, when you do weekly or so, you will see, and I'm going to do this right now for us. Check this out. All the levels that we have available, right? The horizontal white line to me represents a little bit more educational guess because we stayed there for a couple of days, right? Regardless, we had another one here where I added another resistance. We have another one here. So it's gonna get interesting. And one of the things I'll tell people, don't be surprised, guys, if you see some retracements eventually, something that's sizable, like from here all the way here. That was great, but it was absolutely rejected. Now let's go ahead and change to the Heikin Ashi, because you're gonna see the trend. And I love the Heikin Ashi because they tell me kind of like what is the sentiment, right? Bullish or bearish. It's been bullish thus far, basically bullish winning. If I do the 4 hours, you will see how those red, I will say sell-offs is when people are cashing out, but eventually coming in, buying it on the exchange, buying it on the app, whatever they're buying it. But right now, it looks really strong. It doesn't look like it's going to stop, basically. So to me, it opens an amazing wide array of options where now we go to the Twitter page. What do we see here? Well, we see that Cronos is moving strong. And this is why I'm a favorite, honored Chrono Chain Ambassador, where I know this has so much potential and future with the Galileo upgrade for the mainnet. I mean, so many things are going to come for the Cronos team, for developers, for builders, for us as retail investors. If you want to be staking or locking your stake, whatever you're trying to do, here it is. And it's already completed. So we're starting the year. This is barely starting. The price of Tectonic is doing well. Crypto.com is doing well. The Tectonic fam is doing well. I mean, and you know what? Even everything is doing well with Tectonic. Not many people are coming here. They're a little bit scared. Maybe they don't want to jump in on a different altcoin. You know, for a lot of people, what I tell them is, it's okay. More for us, because eventually it's going to happen where Tectonic sells off. Everybody starts blaming someone. They're like, you know, I told you, but eventually it's going to start rising. I'm picking it up. And that's going to be amazing. That is exactly what I'm looking for, guys. Can you imagine the future where we have now bull market, we have Bitcoin doing well, we have Ethereum, crypto.com doing well? I mean, in my opinion, as long as you're participating with a card, with crypto.com, getting some free Crow, which by the way, you can sign up on crypto.com in the link down below, $25 free. In my opinion, that serves a lot, and that will give you an edge, because right now, according to crypto.com research, how many millions are we? Well, roughly over 500 or so million, right? We grew 39%, even though 2022 was a really tough and difficult year. Can you imagine how much we're gonna grow eventually, as 2023 seems that it's gonna be a much better year, where we're not longer gonna see so many liquidations or bankruptcies, but we're all now gonna see maybe a little bit more regulation, which that's eventually what's always gonna come, but more good news, more partnerships, and more improvement. And at the end of the day, adoption. That's the key. We got adoption, we got Bitcoin pumping, we're going to have the rest of the icons doing really well. And obviously, like I've said in one of my previous videos, can we get 10,000 Bitcoin, which that will bring everything lower, which that will bring Tectonic lower? Well, probably yes, but I mean, what else? Like, if so, what? I couldn't care. We get Tectonic, I'm sorry, Bitcoin low, because Tectonic will be down. Get used to the fear, get used to those sell-offs, because it's just the beginning of the best days to come for us. Everyone, Tectonic doing amazing. Love it. Buying, selling, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching Tectonic Update. I'll see you next time, fam, and we'll see you in the live. Peace.